to my channel. My name is Lydia, if you did not know, and today I'm coming at you with a hair tutorial. I am super excited about this video. A company called, I don't know what it's called, but I will put it right here. I don't know how to pronounce it. But they sent me, it's their curling wand. The packaging is pretty big. It's their 25mm classical wand, professional curling wand. And it's in the shade black. Really bougie packaging. Sold at Ulta for like $70. This is what the bad boy looks like. She is turned on and I can feel the heat from here. I hope it does not melt my makeup off, but whatever. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair and put half of it up into a messy bun. Just so I can get it up and out of the way. I'm going to brush this, make sure there are no tangles. And then gonna go in with this Not Your Mother All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Perfector. It's heat protection and a whole bunch of other stuff that I'm not gonna name because it's 10 other things. So I'm gonna spray this in my hair. This stuff actually smells really freaking good. What I'm first going to do is take a small part of my hair, like so, kind of comb it out with my fingers, and we start wrapping her. I also hold it for just about 20 seconds. This side is already done and it's cute. This did not take me that long to do either, which I'm really surprised about. But I am going to go back over these strands real quick. Side is all done. It is looking really cute. Now we're going to do the other side. So that is the bottom done. So what I'm going to do is take this out, use the hair tie, put this back, and put this down. I'm now going to brush it. Even though I brushed it, when I put it up, it's already tangled as usual. I'm going to add some more of this. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a part of it and curl it for 20 seconds. Now I have the top done, so I'm going to take the back out and bring her into the mix. So this is the final look. I actually really like it. This wand is very lightweight and it takes not that long to get these curls. I think that this is totally worth the money, but I highly recommend this. I am in love with these waves. It is very cute. If you guys do not know, I will be doing a giveaway at 150 subscribers, and I will give you guys a sneak peek of what my items are going to be. I'm first going to be giving away a MAC Fix Plus. This is a mini. I'm going to be giving away a Morphe sponge. I'm going to be giving away 21 of these concealers and highlight shades, contour shades. They range from light to dark. I will be giving away some lashes, some lipsticks, So if you want to win that giveaway, then subscribe to my YouTube, follow my Instagram at LydiaBaby, and once I hit 150 subscribers, I will post it on my Instagram and you guys can go enter. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and there will be more to come, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.